Yes.
Okay. So, what are you going to do now?
Alright. Designer ba? Designer? Kasi akala ko designer siya.
Kasi gusto niya
mag-design.
Alright, so I think guys, it's time for Erwin to prove something for you all, especially to all of his friends out there. So, Erwin, you have to show your talent now. Okay. Alright, come on now, Erwin.
Habang birthday mo, kapatid, ayan, pasayahin mo naman yung mga, yung mga crew or friends mo. Alright?
Wow.
May bigay kami para sa'yo.
Of course.